Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a Denver PR2500 projector with 180-degree projection and including HDMI cable as well. This projector I personally purchased here, the local electronic store. That one is a Fortex, and this projector price is only 499 Danish krona. We will see inside the box how exactly projector look like, and after doing the unboxing how to use this projector and its clarity is really worth it or not. We will see. Let's check it out. I just simply cut the wrapper. Open the box. Inside the box we directly receive this projector. Apart from that, backside one HDMI, one mic, one USB, power cable, power button, and this is our projector. Here we receive magic booklet, how to use, how to access. And so we receive one power cable. This is the HDMI, two HDMI only, and this is the HDMI to C port, so I can connect very easily my Mac and iPhone as well to watch something in this projector. Here is the power cable. We receive one tiny remote as well. Inside the remote, no battery, so we need to put it the battery as well here. So now time to start the projector. Let's see how clarity we are receiving. So what about the next process? I just simply connect here in the power cable to my projector, and here via HDMI you can very easily connect the HDMI cable on your Mac or other laptop. But in this video we will see, I just simply connect here my pen drive. Inside the pen drive some of the movies are available. I just simply turn it on using the remote. Such a clarity we are receiving. Frankly to speak, this clarity I am not happy about that. For this clarity, using this remote control, here not so much options is available. Just simply inside the setting, language, software update, and rest of other information is available. But please upgrade the files. I just simply go back here. Here the Bluetooth section is also available. You can connect the Bluetooth as well your other device and then synchronize the device as well. This feature might be impressive. Search the Bluetooth here, but via Bluetooth you are not able to see here. Just simply sending something, and here HDMI cable, and here the media file. Here the different option is available, music, ebook, and so such a noise is coming. That much noise you can receive continuously. Here I just try clear. So this is the clarity. Because of my wall is totally white, so I can receive all the features as I am expecting. But not satisfied, just simply go here in the media section, the movie, photos, music. So I click here movie. I attach here my pen drive. This is the pen drive. Inside this one some of the movies are available. So I just simply place one of movie. So this is file supportable. I just simply move forward like this as well. Inside the speaker is available, but the voice is not clear properly. This is the clarity of this particular project. As my personal opinion, I'm not happy about that this specific projector clarity. I can suggest you can purchase more expensive project. And second important point, the fan noise continuously going on. So this is the simple unboxing review video of Denver 2500 projector. If you have any question related on this product, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.